Hey guys, it's Carolyn Marie and welcome to today's new video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because today is a thredUP haul and we're going through 7 amazing budget-friendly outfits that I found on thredUP and I absolutely love them. I was inspired to do this video because I've been seeing all these commercials on the TV about thredUP and it's an online thrift store, so I was intrigued. I always like to buy secondhand furniture and I've obviously been to thrift stores and bought secondhand clothes before, but I don't do it that often, so I was really curious about what they have online and I really wanted to try it out. So I decided to kind of do a little haul for you guys, and I'm in a top right now that I purchased and I really like it. It's all high-end and name brands and you can actually search up different brands. So like I really like Guess clothing, so I was able to actually search up that name brand and find different items. And Guess dresses are pretty expensive and I was able to get them for like $30, so that made me really happy. And I wasn't sure how the quality was gonna be, like if they were all gonna be like, you know, like have lots of pulls or whatever, but everything was like brand new and some stuff even had the tags on it, so I was super impressed. And they are literally the biggest online thrift store like ever, and I think it's also really nice because you're helping the environment and you're not just throwing out clothes, you're actually recycling them and you're purchasing something from somebody else that they only maybe had for a couple months and they just don't like it anymore for whatever reason. So there's no reason to throw it out and like create waste. So I just like that aspect of it and it's really fun and I'm kind of addicted to it. Like I actually did another order already. This is not sponsored at all. This was just literally something that I decided I wanted to do because I saw all the commercials for it. But I did end up reaching out to thredUP because I wanted to get a code for you guys and they haven't got back to me yet. So if they do come back to me with a code, I'll insert it below. But they do have a referral program, and the referral program is for everyone who clicks your link, you get $10 and they give you $10. So I'll put that down below because it will save you some money and then I'll get like $10 to go shopping there. You can actually create your own referral link as well once you shop there. So yeah, so I think that's really cool. And I'm just gonna show you the packaging it comes in because all of their, my address, all of it comes in this like cute little, I don't know what you call this, like packaging, so you know it's coming from thredUP because it has the polka dots. And then everything is like wrapped in this tissue paper. And I know it's just like not that exciting, but it's kind of cute. So you'll know it's coming. I also wanted to mention that it's all different warehouses, so you're not gonna get your shipment all at once. If say you order something and it's in Pennsylvania or something's in the Arizona warehouse, so it will come from all different places. That might annoy some people might like that because it's like more surprises. So like if you got 7 things, like 2 things might come and then 3 things might come. And it took about, I believe it was a little over a week for everything to come, which is fine because I wasn't like in a rush or anything. And I don't think there's a way to expedite that shipping. So if you are looking for like an event or something, I would suggest definitely ordering it in advance so you could try it all on. The other cool thing about it is they do returns, and literally the bag that you get from them, you can return it. So if you end up not liking anything, it's just super easy. That same bag, you just zip it up and you send it right back. And we're just going to hop into this video and this little fashion show. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you so much. So I'm just gonna talk about each piece that I got a little bit. And I got this top for $18.99 and it retails for $54. So I was pretty impressed by it. I love all the details on it and the embroidery. It's double layered, so you have this kind of like netting embroidery over top and then you have a second layer. And the back is really beautiful. The back, there are these pearls that all go down the back. And then there's like a little cut that kind of goes above your jeans, like if you're wearing a high-waisted jean, which is what I paired it with. It just shows a little bit of your back, which is classy. It's a little bit of skin, but it's not too much. So you can wear it anywhere and not feel weird about it or anything like that. And I threw on this belt that has the gold metal and the cognac brown color, which I thought paired beautifully with the beige top. And then I threw on some beige sandals, which match perfectly, but you could also throw on like a nude pump as well. And I think that's a way to even dress the outfit up even more. And I just think it looks stunning. I really like this look. and it's super fun and beautiful, and I love it. The next top I got is by Mac Studio, and it's a short sleeve blouse, and it's really fun and frilly, and I love that it has a wrap tie, so you can really adjust it to make it fit you just perfectly. And I got it for $27.99, and it retails for $88. And I paired it with these light wash ripped jeans, which look super cute. And then I threw on my strappy white sandals, and it just looks super cute, and I love it a lot. I also threw on some gold jewelry. I think gold jewelry stands out a lot more on my skin tone, and I think it's a good thing for you guys to figure out whether silver or gold jewelry stands out on your skin tone. I kind of stick to it, so figure that out for yourself. And yeah, the next top I got was a Rachel Roy sleeveless top, and it's super cute, and it's cropped, and it's this black knit, and it feels so high-end and classic, and I love it. I got this for $14.99, and it retails for $48, and I just love the knit and the pattern. It has this like X on it, and it's cropped, which is really kind of nice because I have short legs, so I don't like when my tops are too long because it just makes my legs look shorter when my tops are too long. I don't like that. I paired this with my white Guess jeans that I already had, threw on my belt again, but I reversed it, which is really cute that this belt reverses like that. So now it is black with the gold details. And I also threw on my black Michael Kors pumps, which I already had as well. And I think it just looks super stylish and classic. And this is a really great summer look. The next top I have here is the one-way sleeveless blouse. And this one is super fun, super cropped, but really, really, really cute. I love the frills. I love the polka dots. It's so classic, so cute. And it just like gives it a little bit of a modern flair because it's cropped. This top was $29.99 and it retails for $125. Wow, which is crazy. And I got it for $29.99. And it's super cute, like I really love it. I also paired this with my white jeans, and you can either wear this with some beige sandals to make it more casual, or you can put on some nude pumps to just really stand out and make it a super fun and more classic look. And I just feel like it's so vintage in a modern way. I just really like this outfit. This next top I got is the Miss Love sleeveless top, and it is black and white plaid, and I actually do not own anything plaid, but for some reason something was calling me to this top. I just really, really like it. I think it's cute. I love that it's like short, like it's not like super long. It's like very much ends before your jeans start, and it is $9.99 and it retails for $12. So there wasn't that much of a savings there, but I just thought the top was really cute, so I put it in my cart, and it wasn't that expensive. And I really, really like it a lot. And I don't normally wear plaid. And I paired this again with my white jeans. And if you wear it with just the top and the white jeans, I suggest wearing nude pumps with it and just keeping it like that. But you could also put on the black belt and pair it with some black pumps, and it looks super cute like that too. I really like them both, and it's a way to have another outfit. So these dresses are my absolute favorite that I got because I just love dresses. They're so feminine and cute. And this one is a Guess dress, and it's a cocktail dress. I got it for $32.99, and it normally retails for $138. So there was a huge savings there. And it's just super fun and cute, and I love the very bright neon color, the coral color. It's really, really nice, and I love how the dress flares out. It shows off your waistline, and it fits amazing. I really love it. I paired this with some nude pumps, and it's just super feminine, cute, and fun. And dresses are so easy, so I don't know why we don't wear them more often, but you know, it's just one thing you put on and it just looks great. And I love this dress. It's so cute. Now I saved my favorite for last, which is another Guess dress. I'm just like a Guess babe. I love Guess clothing. And this is a casual dress. It retails for $108, and I got it for $32.99, which is a great savings there. And this dress just is so classic. It's a classic white summer dress, and I love the frills on the top. It kind of enhances your chest a little bit, makes that look a little bigger, makes your waist look a little smaller, and the way it flares out just gives you the illusion of having a little bit more hips. So it's super feminine looking, super cute, and I love it. And It's my favorite and it reminds me of Marilyn Monroe, and I love this dress so much, so I wanted to end on it because it is my absolute favorite. And I paired this with nude pumps as well. Alright guys, and that was my little fashion show and my little thredUP haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed thredUP so much. I even ordered another order, so I'll give you another haul. And I'm gonna do some more fashion and style videos because I really enjoy them. And I just like classic items, and that's kind of what my focus will be, very classic looks that you can wear all the time and dress up and dress down, because I'm very much into Marilyn Monroe, Jackie O, and those kind of styles. And I'm going to keep my videos more focused on people on a budget, because I'm on a budget. Not saying I won't throw in some luxury items, but I do like finding items that are like treasure and like amazing for really cheap. And I like that with furniture shopping as well. I love refinishing things that you get for like $5 and you make it look like it's worth $500. That's just like a thing I love, and it gives me like a little high, and this kind of is in the same realm. So I'm gonna show you my finds, and I'm gonna give you more budget-friendly videos. So again, if you wanna check out thredUP, the link is down below. It's not an affiliate code or anything, it's just that if I refer you, you get $10 to use at thredUP, and I also get $10 as well. And I reached out to them, so I will put an update somewhere in this video if they come back with a specific code that I can give you guys to get even more money off. But until then, if you guys don't know, I am a singer and songwriter. You can check out my album down below. It's all linked in the description. And I have a few new songs coming out as well, so stay tuned for that. You can go check out my website. It's www.carolynmariemusic.com. And I'm also on Instagram. And on Instagram, I have over 70,000 followers and friends there. So if you want to see more like pictures of my outfits and more kind of vlog kind of stuff, I have all that content over there as well. So I'll see you over there. And have rude. Do you guys hear the motorcycle? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. And make sure you subscribe.